Accessing the boot is simple. Just press the electric liftgate opener located here. The hazard warning lights will flash once, and after the buzzer sounds, the liftgate will automatically open. To close it again, press the electric liftgate close switch and the process is reversed. Likewise, you can open and close the liftgate from inside the car, but only if you're stationary and the gear selector is in park or neutral. To do this, press the liftgate open symbol from the home screen. The liftgate will then automatically start to open. Within the settings menu, this can be customised even further. Press the vehicle centre icon, vehicle settings, and here you can see open or close liftgate. While inside the car, the liftgate can also be opened and closed using the Mazda voice control. Alternatively, you can use either the Mazda6e app or the button on the key fob. You can also set the maximum opening height for the liftgate by holding it at the desired height and pressing the liftgate close button for more than 3 seconds. The buzzer will sound once, indicating that the height memory function has been set successfully. You can also set this via the centre display. Tap the vehicle centre icon, vehicle settings, and scroll until you see maximum opening of the liftgate, and adjust the height by simply moving the slider. Perfect if you've got a low garage or a carport. Pulling this bonnet release down by your right knee allows access to a large 72-litre front storage area that's ideal for stowing the charging cable. It has a false floor and a drain plug for simple cleaning if needed, adding to its versatility.